Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to unbox the latest budget offering from Honor in India, the Honor 7A. So we recently unboxed the Honor 7C as well. So again a pretty good device in this price segment. Now we have the Honor 7A, but unlike the 7C, the box pack of the Honor 7A is not an Indian retail variant. So we are not really sure about the actual retail variant. So this is the black variant of the Honor 7A, and in this video we'll just show you the device. We'll do the unboxing and we'll show you all the features and also some camera samples. So before opening the box, so let's just have a look at the specification software. So it comes with a 5.7 inch HD plus resolution display, 18:9 aspect ratio. Then we have the Snapdragon 430 octa-core chipset powering this device. Along with that, it also comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. The rear camera is a dual camera, again a 13+2 megapixel camera, f-stop 2.2 aperture, and the front facing camera is 8 megapixel with f-stop 2.0 aperture. Now this phone also comes with fingerprint scanner, and it comes with a metal construction and Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box, and we have EMUI 8.0 as well. Battery capacity is at 3000 mAh. So that's the specification. So opening up, you can see the Honor 7A on the top. So taking this out, so you can see this is the Honor 7A. Looks good in terms of build quality. It's a metal construction. We have the dual camera setup, 13 and 2 megapixel. Fingerprint scanner is included, and it's quite slim in terms of the build quality as well. So looks and feels quite good. We have a glossy finish on the side panel. Power and volume keys sits on the right side. Top panel houses the 3.5mm audio jack. Bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot, the speaker unit, and left side houses the SIM tray. So let's just take this SIM tray out and see the slots. So there you go, it is a dedicated SD card slot, so that's something good. So again pretty good from Honor, very similar to the Honor 7C. Now let's boot this device and we'll see what all comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see there is a SIM ejector pin, and we have the standard charging and data syncing cable and the adapter as well. So this might not be the actual adapter which will be coming with the Indian variant, because it's 5V 1A, and this is not the standard Indian variant, but since we have been provided a review unit, so this is the charger from that unit. So that's the Honor 7A. It's a budget offering with 5.7 inches of HD plus resolution display. It has 18:9 aspect ratio. You can see the Honor branding on the top, and it has 2.5D glass, and there is a screen guard pre-installed on this device. So the display quality looks quite okay for this budget segment. We have an 8 megapixel front camera as well. Now let's go to the software aspect. So opening up the settings panel, it's quite the similar options. We have some useful options included, and there is also support for themes as well. So going to settings, you can see the Honor 7A and Android version and EMUI version are 8.0. Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 is the chipset. We have 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. 24.26 is the available storage, and screen size is 1440 by 720p, and the Android security patch is from 1st March 2018. So that's the UI version, and it comes with a good amount of features which we see on all the EMUI phones. Now let's have a look at the camera. So that's one of the important aspects. So opening up the camera, so we get a dual camera setup on the Honor 7A as well. So it is 13 megapixel primary camera and a secondary 2 megapixel camera. So you can see that it comes with some pre-installed modes. Photo, video, and HDR included, and let's have a look at the video recording where the size of the video. So full HD resolution is supported, a 16:9 aspect ratio, and it also comes with some useful options as well. So you can see the photo settings, 13 megapixel is the maximum resolution supported. So that's the camera interface. We also get this wide aperture mode included, wherein you can take some bokeh shots, and that's quite good option. So here are some of the samples we have taken with the Honor 7A after unboxing the device. So stay tuned for our detailed review of the camera coming up soon. So this is again a dual camera setup in the budget segment. Now the phone also comes with a 3000 mAh capacity battery that should be quite good enough for a day of usage. We'll be testing the battery performance once we have a detailed in-depth review of this device. So as of now we are not really sure about the pricing of this device, so expect the device to be really competitively priced and in the sub 10k price segment. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.